Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to update CapCut on both phone and computer. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, on our computers, just basically open up CapCut. Okay? Open it up, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, sometimes you will have a pop-up right here that is checking for version updates. And after that, if it says update now, go ahead and click on update now. You'll be able to see the current version right here and the new version. Now, if you don't have this pop-up, don't worry. You can just go ahead and close it out. Okay. Or I'm sorry, if you don't have it, just move forward. You'll have an update available button right here at the very top. Just click on it. And then again, just click on update now. All right. It says here update in progress. Please wait. And you'll be able to see it running right here at the very bottom. Okay. So just wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, you're good to go. Now for mobile devices, right here, all you got to do on your iOS or Android, just go head over to Play Store or App Store. Use the search bar right here. You just find CapCut. If there's an update button, go ahead and update it. If it says open right here, well, you don't need to update it. And that's how simple it is to update CapCut. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.